So here's how to fix Epic Games slow update and download speeds. First, you'll need to open your Epic Games launcher and then click on your profile and then go to settings and then scroll down and click on go to download settings and it should open up this window. Now you'll need to click on overview or download settings and then if the download limit download speed is checked, you can try to disable it and try to download again. Otherwise, you can click on it and set it to a high number such as 100,000 Mbps or 10,000 maximum value for all these fields in here. And then you can simply close this and try to download again. See if that fixes the problem. Now if it does not help, you can simply go back and disable it and then close the Epic Games launcher. And then in the taskbar, click on it and click exit, or you can simply go to the task manager and look for Epic Games, then end task for everything related to Epic Games. Now you can close this and right click Windows icon and click run, and in here you should type %local app data %, press enter, and now look for Epic Games folder, Epic Games launcher, double click on it and then double click on saved, and if you see a folder called web cache underscore and a number, simply right click on it and click delete. And once it's deleted, you can double click on the config, Windows, and then click on engine.ini file. You can open it with a text editor, Notepad, or any text editor you would like. Now, if you see any text in here, you can simply click Ctrl+A and remove everything. And you'll need to paste the following text in here. So I'm going to put this in the video description if you guys need to copy it. Then you can simply click on the save button here and can close your text editor. And now you can close out of this. And what you can do as well is go to the settings and then network and internet and then Ethernet or your main network. And then in here under the DNS assignment for IPv4 DNS servers, click on edit and enable it. Then set the DNS to manual first and then set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8, the first one, and then the alternate DNS is 8.8.4.4, and then save that. Now you can simply close everything and run Epic Games Launcher again as admin, and then try to install or download your games or apps, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.